What's going on, everybody? It's Deverell Davis with a real quick unboxing video. This one today that we're doing is the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. Okay, this is the headphones that I've been wanting for probably 5 months now. I think it came out August of 2020. In the midst of the COVID season, but I wanted this for Christmas. We held off a little bit. It's now January 18th, 2021. So this is approximately about 5, 6 months old. It's been in the game for a few months now, but we're finally doing an unboxing. I finally got my hands on it. Finally going to talk about it. We're just doing the unboxing. We're not necessarily doing a review. I'll tell you a few quick things about this awesome headphone that looks awesome. Looks gorgeous. I got it in a nice rose gold looking color to match my phone. I still have the Note 10 with the nice glossy color on it. So anyway, these are supposed to be noise canceling. It retails right now originally at 170. Some places I've seen it closer to 200, 189, such and such. But if you go on Amazon and other platforms, I think they're selling it right now between 130 and 139. This product right here is roughly around that price range. So real quick, let me turn to the back before we start unboxing it, where it has some of the features. So it's active noise canceling, so it's not fully noise cancel where you press it and you totally take off the noise and everything. It has a triple mic for clear calls. So I'm going to do a review on this after. I know there's many review videos out there, but I'll definitely do a nice review on it and tell you my experience with it. It's anywhere from 6 to 21 hours of playtime, so that's pretty awesome. I had other earbuds where I'll be in the gym maybe for 2 hours. It'll last the whole 2 hours, but then after that, when you leave the gym, it's starting to fade, and you probably get 3 to 4 hours out of it. So without having to recharge it. This right here is talking about 6 to 21. I'll wait and see. So what else does it have? It's made by AKG, and this is pretty much, a beautiful looking device. So let's go ahead and open up. Pull out a knife real quick. Bear with me. Let's turn it over to the other side, and we're going to slice through it real quick. All right. Slice the other side. I'm doing this with one hand while I'm holding the other phone, so bear with me. All right. Let's pop that open again. Hold on 1 second. I'm gonna put this down real quick. All right. Pause. So there we go. We got it open. Boom. All right. So it comes in a nice little case right there. It's wrapped. Let's go through this first right here. What we got right here? Should be everything as far as the chargers and everything concerned. Let's see. So yes, just the cord right here. This should be a C cord, a C port cord, so you could just plug it into the into any little plug that takes the C port, and you'll be able to charge it there. It comes with a few another extra size of earbuds that you can put for your ear size. Here's the case it comes in. It's pretty small. I have big hands, so it's a pretty tiny case, and it's wrapped in a Samsung wrapper right there. So let's take this away. This was the empty box right here. The instructions are over here also. There we go. Take a look. Let me see what's in here first before I even open up the device. I'm so barbaric. So I'm just going to rip this open because I'm not going to save this. This is just what? The instructions, I'm assuming. Yep. Quick start. Just the instructions right here. Alright. And that's all that comes in that. And that's the empty case right there. So let's move on to the device itself. Let's throw these to the side. This is the Samsung Sound by AKG. Let's open it up. Oh, this is beautiful. Looks like 2 jelly beans. Awesome. Left and right. You can see it's charging in the case. Boom. I'm gonna take it out so you can see the size. Wow. This is awesome. Nice shiny glossy color. So guys, this is how it looks. I know you already seen it. I know you heard a lot of people with it. I know you heard a lot of people talking about it. It has a nice little button. Is there a button? No, that's not a button. That's probably for the noise canceling. So guys, this is how it looks. This is what it is right here. The new Samsung Bud Lives, around 139 I think I got it for. So yeah, this is right here. I'm Deverell Davis. This was another unboxing. Peace.